You know, have you ever looked at something you were building, an idea that you're trying to get out there, even though it looks good and you're happy, when you realize how much extra work there is to do, because there's 3 more of those to go, I look at myself in the mirror and go, what the hell were you thinking? Dear God. Hey guys, thought I would just give an update. So I think it'll be a part 2, probably a part 3. This is gonna be a while. So I've basically spent half a day doing this. I finally got what I was looking for, I think. You can, snow and rain, go right through, no issues. So this piece is a 1/4 inch thick. It's 2 1/8 inch pieces, so when I cut it, it's actually part of the meat right here, and then slabbed in another 1/8 inch piece. So the back wall did the same thing, add another piece into this, well, at top and bottom. So this is double walled, and put my angles, say I angled this down. I may still put a little piece here at an angle, I'm not sure. Now, there's just a little bit more flex, and you can't see that on the camera compared to a solid piece, but I think it's gonna work, and it's what I was kind of looking for. Sorry, daughter's bike. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update, because I think it's gonna be several weeks till I get the other 3 done. I already have the bars and everything bent and welded for the front. That was a lot of cutting and angles and holding my tongue right, so I didn't want to sit here on 2 months before getting the whole entire thing posted. So I will just do part 2 and 3, and you guys let me know what you think. I didn't have any comments on ideas, so I went this direction, and you guys just go ahead and like and subscribe, and wait till the next one comes out and give me some comments. Thank you. Bye.